Oh, it's gonna be our year. I told y'all, Infinities want all the smoke 2022. Guys, drop that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys, and today we have a hitter for y'all. But before I get into the video, guys, hit the like button. If you're part of this, if you're subscribed to the channel, you should already be hitting that like button. That means that your support supports the channel. It's something free that you guys can do, so please hit the like. If you are new to this channel, watch some other videos. I want to make sure you like your boy Boost in Motion and you want to be part of the Boost in Motion team. And if you like it, you know what to do. Hit the like again. Well, that would be an unlike. That wouldn't make any sense. But then subscribe, hit the bell notification, and hit all. Now, this video today is more of a reaction video, but I want to first shout out to Cozy Q50. I think I dropped the video a little earlier with him a couple of weeks back. We, did a little grudge racing in the street, you know what I mean? But he had a fair run this time. He got to run his stock turbo Q50 on E, bolt-on, versus a other stock turbo B58 340. Yes, so we get a fair run. Also, the B58 is on E, so it's an apples to apples comparison. No upgraded BS turbo, BS right now. But once again, I want to shout out to Cozy Q50 because just like some of my older videos, I raced a lot of cars that were faster than my car, and he's doing the same thing. So at the end of the day, he finally got a good apples to apples race, and I know he feels good about it. So shout out to you, Cozy. Much love, brother, but hit the video.
Alright. Y'all ready? Yes. Here we go. I like that one. Hey, be flat. Be flat. Play the cameras, man.
Now, you guys saw that, right? Now, I don't want to bring up any names or anything like that, but I've seen this flagger in a couple of videos. Now,
NBA and you play a replay, it shows different from what the referee did. Cool. Do you get wrong calls in the NBA? Do you get wrong calls in the NBA? And don't the replay show the call?
Yeah, talent.
Come on, I don't lie, bro. I think and talk very logistic.
but that was very terrible flagging. I don't know what that was. I don't know what they stepped. So most likely it wasn't chased as a race, and it wouldn't make any sense anyways. And someone had screamed out, "Pay up," because you didn't leave. Because you got to pay half. Get out of here. No, you don't know what you're talking about. Bugging, boy. But anyways, now let's go. Let's hit the actual race where it's heads up. Let's go.
We good, we good. You got the back tires, bro? Back tires is good. Move in, guys, move in. If you're gonna stay in the middle, move in, move in.
And boom, just like that, we got a fair race. Heads up, Q50, Cozy Q50 got the win. Good race. I think, honestly, good race. Now, I don't know what the other tuner is for the B58 340, but the community doesn't really like that. And I want to say something to some of y'all guys who really hate Q50s, because I've seen people in my comments on my IG saying, oh, it's an outdated platform. But your B58 was out since like 2015, 2016, and what are we talking about here? So we both got pretty old motors. I mean, honestly, our BR30 was dropped in 2016. Your B58 was dropped in 2016. So what are you talking about? It's an outdated platform when you guys have had the same car. It's just been updated. Ooh. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, it was still a fair run. It seemed like they, from what I was told to me, they both were on E-tune. They both had prep, and they're both stock turbo, no BS, and the faster car won. So I don't know if there's gonna be a rematch in the future, but yo, it is what it is. And for all the people that's gonna jump in the comments, well, he had to race this car and this and that, and he didn't win the first race. Yo, get out of here, bro. Get out of here. A race is a race. This one was a heads up one, but I bet you if the B58 was upgraded turbo, yeah. And I always said in my old videos, people love the car that's always super faster. It just doesn't make any sense. Does it make sense for a Q50 stock turbo to run an upgraded turbo B58? Of course he's gonna win, because if the Q50 wins, you guys are gonna hate it. But anyways, outside of that, guys, I just want to make this short video. Shout out to Cozy Q50. Shout out to the Racebox team for definitely holding it down, tuning this car and getting this car dialed in, because I know the conditions were cold that night. So much love to Hussein, the whole Racebox team. Shout out to Cozy Q50, and shout out to anybody that was part of the team, making sure that that car was taken care of and that it hooked. Shout out to that. Outside of that, guys, you already know what to do. Hit me up at boostinmotion on IG, Facebook, boostinmotion@gmail.com. Otherwise than that, guys, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the like, hit the like, hit the like, please, guys. Outside of that, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. You have a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.